Step 12. Cleaning carpet, upholstery, and leather. When using this product, we recommend that you refer to Section 8 of the Safety Data Sheet for required personal protection. Finally, we'll deep clean the vehicle's carpeting and upholstery with Interior Cleaner, our versatile multi-purpose concentrate. Mix 1 to 8 and lightly spray cleaning solution on fabric surfaces. If you manually fill, always add water first, then product. If you have a select proportioner, choose Interior Cleaner with the dial and fill. Vigorously scrub with an upholstery brush, hand dry with a clean towel, then thoroughly vacuum all surfaces cleaned. Be sure not to saturate the fabrics. Excessive moisture drives soils into the fabric backing, which can cause mold and mildew. Once leather has been cleaned, apply a leather conditioner, sold separately, to restore essential oils.